episode of Cake Mom, we are going to make a vegan and gluten-free apple cake. So it is fall and apple spice is in season. So we wanted to make a healthy apple spice cake because why not? So as always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Almond flour, coconut flour, applesauce, maple syrup, coconut oil, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, vanilla, and apples. Okay, so we're going to start by mixing together all of the dry ingredients. So almond flour, coconut flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Now we're going to add the applesauce, maple syrup, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract. To peel and shred our apples and stir the shredded apples right into our cake mix. Okay, so now we're going to put our apple cake mixture into a prepared pan. I'm going to use a loaf pan because I want kind of a bread cake. Okay, we're gonna make a little crumble topping. So here we have some more coconut oil, some more almond flour, and a little bit of coconut sugar. We're just gonna combine the two dry ingredients together, stir in the oil, and then crumble it on top of our apple cake. And then we're going to bake the cake at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35, maybe even 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Alright, so our apple cake is finished baking and we cooled it completely before we're gonna slice it. And now we're gonna slice it and see how it turned out. Okay, so it is super soft, super moist. It doesn't have much structure because there's no egg in it to bind it all together. So just be careful while you're slicing it. But it is delicious, especially for a healthy cake. Because I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment below because we would love to hear from you, and share it with all your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you can see when I post my next video. Have a great one.